Might as well film it. I'm recording. Got stuck in my pocket. Not sure how that happened, so let me reset it. Yeah, that's my first issue of the day. How do you clear that issue? Call the fire department. You got it. Hopefully that should be just about long enough. Off I go. Oh wow, that just came right back on. Did you see that? Right on video. All right. I missed that shot, man. Thanks, GoPro. My first missed shot. What a way to start a review. Having the camera simply do a crash like that, be on the record and just come right back on. And what I wanted to do was format the card. Glad I caught it. Alright, on with the review. I gotta find that windy spot. Number 2. Hey, good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Appreciate you stopping by. Let's get on with this review and hope the wind will pick up and all this traffic noise will simply go away. I'm about cameras right now. What we're going to do is do a wind test with the GoPro. And I don't know if I could show it to you, but I'll give it a shot. So here I am with the GoPro. As you can see, it's got a mic muff just on the side, right? And that's what I want to do is see if I could get some good recording with it. Some excellent sounds. It's windy. Actually, it's not even blowing on the camera yet. And just got to get to that spot. As always, I turn the camera on and that crosswind just stops. I tell you. Let's see if that wind will pick up again. Keep the camera on for a few more seconds. It just stopped. Unreal. Here's the wind. It was behind my back all the time, and now I feel it. And that's a good example test for you. Now I'm going to turn the camera around nice and slow. And you just heard the Osmo action turned off. And the wind is kicking on me. And I want a mic muff to do its job. I'll turn it back around 100% and we'll give a little talk in an area with the Osmo action this time. And you can say, hey man, those mic muffs really make a difference when you put it on. Well, I don't want to drop my camera, get it wet, because it's still working after that dunk test. Fair is fair, and the Osmo action's on, and the wind is kicking still over here. And I don't like the PGY tech that's on it. I use the Shorty, and the Shorty feels comfortable, more solid with its twists. So I don't know how this sounds because I'm not going to sit here with just the playback of the camera listening to it. And when I get on the editor table, and I'm going to use, I'm going to try DaVinci Resolve Studio. And that's the upgraded version, and see if I can get this thing to work. Now, single-handedly, I'm going to tackle this, man. Oh yeah, I'm going to go up. Not with the single hand, trust me, not what I want to do. But I remember I came here, did a review with the Yi 4K action camera, and I did a good job. I also did it with the DHK Zombie. I went up in the air, beautiful camera shot. I came down and that was the end of the Lexan body. So let's get some reviews. And hey, somebody left their cable. Let's go check it out. I don't need to yell. Maybe it's a good USB-C cable for me. It looks like nice and sturdy. Or it's an old printer cable. Got no use for it. Get it out of the way. Oh yeah, the fish is going for it, man. He's in top gear. Woohoo! Yeah, baby. Woohoo! Oh, I ain't going down those steps. So yeah, I did good. And I'm happy about it. I could still get up and go and do all that good stuff. And I could jump that and go back and then I'm not gonna fall. And my young days are not over yet. But I tell you, you're looking to get one of these action cameras, right? I'll say that's what you should go after. Something that you like. I wish GoPro would just up the game to that sound. I like a little bit more of a nicer sound like what the DJI has. But beggars can't be choosy, right? So, how do you like your camera? How do you like the sound? I almost tripped. I think you'll like this particular one with the Mic Muff on it. Doing a great job indeed on a windy day like this. You'll get the job done. I hope this review, this short review of the wind, will do just fine for you. Well, I'm not going to do any more jumps. I'm just going to bicycle out here and say have a great day. I'll leave my camera behind. My tests are over. Oh, this is how I put my camera in, right? That's how I get my kickstand up, right? It's how I hop on my bike, right? I'm not perfect, but let me tell you, I gotta go to the bathroom. I gotta go take a crap. I'm 2 miles away. Oh, what to do? What to do? Out of here, people. I gotta grab my camera. I gotta go. I gotta go. Give me you, bad boy. So, let me tell you, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to rate, comment, show that love. I'll catch you on the next one. Anything you'd like me to do for you, just let me know. If you want to see a 2-second clip, get the hell out of town. Have a great day. Thanks for joining. Show the love. Catch you all later.